Hello friends, so in this video I am going to show you how to operate the rear wiper. Actually, you all will be knowing like how to use the front wiper. So if you push this rod towards upside, the front wiper will function, and you know all the functionalities, right? So most of the people will not know about the how to operate the rear wiper. So I'm going to explain you how this functions will be working, and you see how to operate in the sense like this is a separate portion. You can see the line between this entire knob, right? So you see, so this alone is movable to control the rear wiper. Okay, so for one by one we will see. So first option is like it is not in the rainy condition, like you are starting the car and about to go somewhere, but you see there is a mist or there is a dust particle stick into your rear glasses, but you want to clean it, and using the water, if you want to clean it, that time you can use this first option. The first option actually will spray the water and wiper will be functioning as I have here. You see, for that you have to twist it towards your direction. So see, so twist and then hold it for a few seconds, so it will splash the water continuously, and then it will be cleaning, and leave it, it will automatically go into default position, which is off mode. Okay, this is how you have to operate when, and next is off condition. So by default it will be in off condition, and the third option is like it is like interval basis. It will run like around 7 to 10 seconds. If you keep, means it won't spray any water. So if you are traveling in a moderate rainy condition, that time you can keep this. So in between the 10 seconds of interval, it will automatically run after each 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, as you see it here. And the third option, if you are traveling in heavy rain and if you want to use keep this, and it will run continuously until you change it to off mode. Okay, and the fourth option, okay, so you are traveling in the rain and you need a rear view to be visible, so you kept it like this, so the wiper is continuously functioning, but unfortunately any heavy dust has settled, and which could not able to remove by simply moving the action. It needs some lubricant apart from the rainwater. If you need still further lubricant, means you can just twist it like this. You see, now lubricant will be sprayed, the washer liquid will be sprayed, so it will be like in a like shampoo or some lubricant substance will be there, no? So instead of cleaning it without any lubricant, if you want lubricant, you can just twist it towards your front direction, and it will automatically, you can't keep holding this. If you leave, it will automatically come back to on condition, and once you're done with everything, you just off and then turn off the car. Okay, so this is the function about rear wiper. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box, and also if I told you in the wrong way, or if you find any good method to use it, you can also share it in the comment box. Thank you very much.